Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about my first wig hair review. The hair comes with a wig stand. It comes with everything you need to install the hair. Guys, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig, like a first timer for someone that is actually, trying to experiment with wig. So yeah, you've got everything you need to install the hair right in the box, and I'm just gonna go through them one by one with you guys. It comes with this cute little purse right here, and the things included are the instruction of how to take care of your hair. It comes with two clips, it comes with bobby pin, it comes with a curve, it comes with an elastic strap, and it comes with the baby hair brush or comb, and it also comes with a flyaway tamer. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with basically everything you need to install your hair. I'm quite impressed with the packaging of the hair as well. As you can tell, the hair is well presented in a professional way. What the hair looks like, guys, the hair has been pre-bleached straight from the box. The hair also have baby hair around the perimeters of it, and also the hair has an elastic band as well as an elastic strap as well. So the elastic band also comes with an adjustment, which is quite reasonable in my opinion. So depends on how big or how small your head is, you'll be able to adjust that as well. As you can tell, the knots has also been bleached straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all, guys. You don't have to do anything. And the most amazing thing about this hair that I really like is the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, which is quite amazing. And also, if you're the type that like your hair side parts, center parts and all that, the hair also comes with a part straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. As shown in this video, all you need to do is just cut the lace and you are good to go, which is exactly what I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the kind of wig that you can install by yourself, even if you are a newbie. It's a very beginner friendly wig, which I'm quite impressed about. All you have to do is just cut the lace and yeah, you're good to go. I cut the lace and I used the elastic band in the wig to secure the hair without having to reach out for my glue or anything at all. Depending on you and depending on the look you're going for, all the tools included in the box are good enough for you to install the hair. As you can see, I'm shaking my head just to assure you that the hair is going nowhere. And voila, I am done, guys. I am done. You don't have to do anything at all. As you can tell, you can part the hair anyhow or anywhere you like, and the hair also has like 6-inch parts, so you have enough space to part the hair. And you can tell the neatness of the parts was just amazing. I used to flyaway tamer and I was really impressed, guys. Very impressed. As you can tell, I saw 1 or 2 strands laying up on the hair, and I just pressed it on and voila, it disappeared immediately. I'm quite impressed with this hair brand. And yeah, I tried to curl the hair just to show you guys if the hair curls or not, and yeah, the hair actually curls really well, which I showed you guys in this video. Because I really like the hair strays, I decided not to curl all the hair. I just curled like 1 strand just to show you guys that the hair is really human hair. And yeah, that's me just showing myself, feeling myself. Like seriously, it took about 2 minutes to install this hair. Just 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Just cut the lace and you're good to go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this my first wig hair right here. The hair is actually 12 inches and it has been pre-colored straight from the box. I'm just going to go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed about the hair straight from the box is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair also have baby hair around the perimeters of it. So basically, this company's wig is all about beginners friendly. So what they're trying to say is the fact that when you get a hair from them, you should be able to install it without any professional intervention and all that. So I actually put that to test today, and I'm going to share my thoughts with you guys. Already you guys know what's up, but yeah, I'm still gonna, you know, go ahead and share my thoughts with you guys. So the first thing I noticed from the package is the fact that so everything you need to install the hair has already been included in the box for you. So that I'm quite happy about, and I really like a lot. The box comes with a comb, it comes with wig cap, it comes with flyaway tamer, it comes with everything that you need to install. Before I installed the hair, I already kept everything that I would need, you know, my normal products that I used to install my hair. I'd already set them aside, you know, to install my hair. When I unboxed the hair, I was like, seriously, everything has been included for you, so you don't need to, you know, get anything ready or whatever. So when you receive your hair, all you have to do is just cut the lace and you're good to go. The first thing that I really like about the hair, you know, after unboxing it, is the fact that the construction of the cap is really amazing, guys. The construction of the cap is very neat and clean, nice, and, you know, very professional. I like the way they sew their cap. It's very neat and clean. So that for me got me immediately, like, seriously, I love the construction of their cap. It's very clean and neat. So another thing that I noticed about the hair that I really like a lot is the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, guys. You don't have to do anything. In that aspect, you don't have to do anything. So if you're the type that like baby hair, the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, in case you know, want to go for baby hair. But in this video, I didn't actually go for baby hair. I just, you know, swiped everything, you know, to the hair, so there was no need for me to go for baby hair. I just don't want to go for baby hair anyway. But if you're the type that like baby hair, please feel free to go ahead and, you know, add your baby hair to the hair, because it definitely comes with one around the perimeters of it. So another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is really soft. Like, guys, look at that. The hair is really soft and very silky. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this. Look at that. The bounciness of the hair is just so amazing, and the hair is really full, really soft. The hair is also silky to touch, guys. Also silky to touch. At some point in this video, I was tempted to, you know, I was thinking, should I straight this hair, should I not straight this hair? I just thought, what's the point of, you know, using straightener of this hair, because the hair is already silky straight from the box. So in my opinion, I'm quite a huge fan of this wig, guys. I'm quite a huge fan of it. There's nothing you need to do at all. And also bear in mind that the hair also comes with an elastic band and elastic strap. So depending on the one you want to go for, if you want to go for the elastic strap, you can use the elastic strap in the cap wig. And if you want to go for the elastic band, you can feel free to use the elastic band as well. But in this video, I actually used the elastic band in the, you know, cap. And another thing I like about the elastic band method with this is the fact that it also has an adjustment inside it. I actually use that to secure the wig right now, guys. The elastic band in this wig has an adjustment to it, which is quite reasonable in my opinion. So if you're the type that you have a very small head, then you can use the first pin. And if you're the type that you know, have, you know, yeah, you keep adjusting it according to your head size, which is really fantastic in my opinion. The most amazing thing about this wig is the fact that it's glueless, so there's no need for you to apply any glue or gel to the hair. So I'm quite impressed with the construction of the cap as well. Seriously, one of the most easiest install that I've ever done on my channel. Like, seriously, having to just cut the lace and comb your hair and you're good to go. What else would you need? Like, seriously. So another thing that I noticed about this, you know, brand is the fact that they also included a tamer. I saw one or two fly away and I just pressed it on it, guys. It disappeared. It disappeared, completely disappeared. I really like this a lot. So definitely there's no time or there's no place for flyaways on my hair anymore. I really like this. I'm a huge fan of that as well. I really like the color of the hair. Is very cool toned. It's not too bright, it's not too dull. It's just the perfect hair for both summer and both, you know, winter as well. It's cool enough to rock in winter, and it's also a little bit bright enough to, you know, wear in summer as well, if you want to add colors to your, you know, summer. So which I really quite like a lot. So in regards to the hair quality, the quality of the hair is really good. As you can tell, there has been no shedding, not even a tiny strand. Like, guys, not even a tiny strand anywhere, not a tiny strand anywhere. So no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. There is nothing whatsoever. Like, I was even expecting one strand or two here and there, but nothing. Like, seriously, wow, this is really, really nice. And the quality of the hair is just amazing. Like, I just don't want to stop touching the hair. It's so soft. As you can tell, it's silky straight, because the texture of the hair is actually silky straight anyway. So in my opinion, I would definitely recommend this brand. The time that you're just trying to explore with wigs, or you're trying to, you know, wear wigs or try wigs, or you're thinking, yeah, let me invest in real good wigs. As a beginner, I would definitely recommend this brand for you. Definitely recommend MyFirstWig for you, because MyFirstWig, as their name sounds, is just exactly what it should be, because everything about this hair install and this hair itself is like a first timer kind of thing, and I'm really digging it right now. Like, even if you have never ever worn any wig before, just learn how to cut your lace and you'll be good to go. You don't have to do anything. Well, I was really impressed with their shipping as well, because it took exactly 2 days to get here in the UK. Hair here in exactly 2 days of shipping the hair, which is really quite amazing. So in case you have an event ahead, then you be rest assured that you get your hair before the event. So that's another thing that I like about them. And also bear in mind that they've got all types of hair on their website. They've got long wig, they've got curly wig, they've got colored wig, they've got black wig, they've got all types of hair on their website, depending on the look you're going for. So yeah. So that's my thoughts about this hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!